Do it before you're ready. The old way: plan, plot, strategize, sync, study, aim, organize, optimize, obsess, think, rethink, plod, ponder, wander, wonder, out to an exciting edge and peak, but continue to perpetually perfect. Don't do this. The new way: screw the old way. Dive in and do it before it's perfect, before it's ready, before you're ready. It's easier to act your way into a new way of thinking than think your way into a new way of acting. If you want to be brave, to be bold, to be courageous, don't wait for the perfect time. It's really not coming. Instead, close your eyes and jump. Do this. Our mission is to empower and inspire a new generation of authors, artists, and entrepreneurs to write books, build brands, and tell stories that transform our own lives and change the world. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. My newest book, Breathe Like a Buddha, is available today. It's the 8th of October, 2025, and it's only 99 cents for the week. If you're interested in writing a tiny book and want to see our own process, please check it out. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day.